Alright, these are going to be the elevators at Corporate Plaza in Clear Lake near Houston, Texas. And they got modernized Westinghouses. Oh, that's the freight elevator right there. Here's the tenant directory. As you can see, the cabs are, I think they're new too. Yeah, these used to be Westinghouses. They're 8 stories too. Oh, 8 work? 7? 6? 5 works. Traction too. It's a pretty tall elevator. They did a pretty good modernization on this, unlike the Kone elevator. The Kone elevators at the other building around here. Alright, back up to 5. I like these matte fixtures. Yep, door indicator. Back down to 1 and I'll end it down there. I'm not sure when these got modded, but it's a pretty good one at least. I'm glad TKE modded it instead of all the generic brands that be modernizing these all over the place. Pretty good mod. Looks like they're doing some renovations. Bunch of clothes. And that'll be it.